Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you appear offline on Roblox. To appear offline, you need to first of all launch open your Roblox application, then click the gear icon from the top right and go to settings. While you are on the settings page, you want to go to privacy and content restrictions. Then first of all, you want to go ahead and look for visibility and private server. For that, you need to go ahead and click on visibility. Make sure that nobody is selected, as well as you also want to select show current experience to no one. After which you want to go back and once again click on the arrow icon to go back and go to community. Now go to experience chat and here as well select no one, and direct message as well or direct chat as well select no one. Once you've made changes with this, once again click on the arrow icon, go to camera input or maybe party, and do the same thing, that is no one, and group party as well, nobody. Once you've done it, so once again come back, and here as well you could go ahead and make sure to change some of these other options as well, but these options will be able to help you out to go or appear offline in Roblox. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.